Have you ever felt overwhelmed by big dreams and don't know where to start from? Or maybe you have the final result in mind, but don't know how to get there? Well, let me tell you this. First of all, you are not alone. And second, listen carefully to this video. The book starts by addressing a common issue, the sense of paralysis that comes with big goals. We all have big dreams, right? Like writing a book, preparing for an exam, or getting in shape. But when we start thinking about the enormity of the goal and all the steps that it requires to get there, then it becomes daunting. But this is where the 1% rule should kick in. According to Becker, we should break down those big goals into tiny manageable steps. According to the author, we should put a laser focus on achieving a 1% improvement every day that will have the effect of not only making these big goals appearing more manageable, but will also build the discipline and commitment that will start to compound over time. So let's take an example and let's assume you want to write a book. According to Becker, you should, instead of focusing on writing 10 pages per day, you should rather commit yourself in writing 1 paragraph per day, which might seem a very small step, but in 1 month you will probably manage to write an entire chapter, and by the end of the year, you will have written the entire book. Becker emphasizes the importance of consistency. According to the author, it's not about making huge effort and big steps once in a while, but rather showing up and improve by 1 centimeter every day. This will help in building the discipline and the resilience that will lead us to the final line. One of my favorite parts of the 1% rule is the one to keep track of daily progress. In fact, Becker provides very powerful tools and strategies to measure the achievements. In fact, by keeping track of the 1% daily gains, you will not only build a commitment because you start observing the compounding effect on those daily gains, but it can start to be very motivating. Another important aspect that is emphasized in the book is the difference between the process and the outcome. In fact, according to Becker, we should not focus too much on the final outcome, because this might lead to develop a short-term attention and also discourage us if we don't see immediate result. On the contrary, we should rather focus on the process, on the daily action, and possibly also enjoy the journey, because this will help us to build commitment and avoid to burnout. I personally think that the book can really be a game changer. It helped me to rephrase the way I approach big goals, and in particular, the process of achieving them has become less daunting. By focusing on a small, actionable step, I've been able to build consistency. And by focusing on the process, I've been able to build an habit that then support long-term success. In conclusion, if you are looking for a practical and sustainable approach to achieve your goals, then I would suggest that you give the 1% rule a chance. Also, the book is packed with tons of tools, strategies, and actionable insights together with a real case example that can support you in your journey. Many thanks for watching this review. If you like the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and pin the notification bell. Until next time, keep on improving 1% at a time.